is up, people? So finally, I've got time to introduce you to the pillars behind Hostel Lavi. What's up? So with
Purnima and Ragini.
and Ragini. So I have to repeat this, but yeah. Question and answer round. And before we do, that's Joy.
Yeah.
That's Google, and Buttercup is somewhere here. You know Buttercup. So, Hostel Lavi. I mean, like, how long has it been since you guys are running this?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, a little more than 2 years.
And how did you get the idea of like, चलो Hostel Lavi खोलते हैं ऐसा?
I started working with Hostel Avi after graduation as an intern.
हाँ
उसके बाद दूसरों के लिए काम करके लगा कि खुद के लिए करते हैं,
हाँ.
तो फिर स्टार्ट किया पापा मम्मी से.
And
Of course, yes. Because investment तो वही देंगे ना.
exactly. And why hostel? Why not a hotel or any other property?
To interact with other people, other countries,
Yeah,
other
to know-
cultures, to know them, how they live in their part of the.
It's like a lot of solo travelers coming together, meeting each other, knowing about
There's
each
a lot
other,
of fun in
friends.
Hostel, yeah, that's true though. Yeah, it's one crazy hostel also.
बहुत सारे contacts भी बन जाते हैं.
हाँ,
Yeah, a lot of like people, we know a lot of people now from other different cities, different countries, different continents.
मतलब अब
Like,
अगर
we
हम
can't
किसी
imagine
country में
in a
जाएंगे तो
hotel.
हमको होटल में नहीं रुकना पड़ेगा, उनके घर पे रुक जाएंगे.
Right.
yeah, that's friendship. You get friendship
Yeah.
also, right? That's perfect. And like since 2 years, and Corona Kala, what is the difference that you have seen amongst the travelers back then when you started the hostel and travelers?
A lot of foreigners, I think, used to come
In the
last
first year that I started, बहुत सारे foreigners
Also
थे.
second year also. This year,
लेकिन जो कोरोना वाला ईयर था सारे इंडियंस थे, तो अभी बिल्कुल नए इंडियंस जो ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल नया सेट देखा है हमने.
and we have noticed a lot of Indians are traveling now, like solo traveling.
मतलब कोरोना के बाद लोगों को घर पे रह के बोर हो गए, तो अब वो कह रहे हैं कि यार अब घूम के आते हैं.
South Indians travel a lot. I think.
South Indian, yeah, South Indian.
बहुत सारे सोलो
yeah.
ट्रैवलर्स.
Yeah. I have seen a lot of South Indians traveling, like bikes, say, from like South India, like Kerala or Pune or somewhere.
और अभी तो पूरा कंसेप्ट चेंज हो गया, क्योंकि वर्क फ्रॉम होम वाले भी आजकल हॉस्टल्स में ही रह के काम करते हैं.
Exactly, yeah. That's fun. And like Pushkar, why Pushkar? Why is Pushkar not
क्लोजेस्ट टूरिस्ट प्लेस टू माय होम.
your hometown? Your hometown is Bhilwara.
Bhilwara,
Yeah. I'm gonna go Bhilwara.
And also she was
I
pursuing
was
her
doing my
masters.
masters from Ajmer, so it was very close.
And it's like if you talk about if we talk about crowd, if we talk about everything, how hard is it? Like I've seen you studying also, so how hard it is to like manage both the things, like even study, even
कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन आर डिफिकल्ट अगर आप हॉस्टल से रह के पढ़ रहे हो, लेकिन नॉर्मल यूनिवर्सिटी वाले एग्जाम्स आप आराम से दे सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, क्योंकि उसमें एक रात पढ़ के जाते हैं और एग्जाम हो जाता है.
exam हो जाता है. हाँ, वो भी. And how did you come to an idea of adopting so many? I mean, like, if we are able to just see three, but
Yeah.
in line these two, but there are at least three more dogs, right?
Yeah, like
Two more dogs.
Ramu
yeah.
and Sita.
Ramu and Sita, two dogs.
गूगल तो हमारे पास था, हमारे घर पे था, तो हम इधर लिया है. और जॉय हमारे ओनर का डॉग है, जो प्रॉपर्टी के ओनर है.
Yeah.
बाकी वो दोनों कोरोना काल में शेल्टर में
Actually, हाँ, क्योंकि बाहर कोई खाना नहीं दे रहा था स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को, तो हम खाना देने लगे तो वो अंदर आ गए
और गर्मी बहुत थी, बाहर धूप बहुत थी,
फिर बाहर ही नहीं गए.
तो हमारे पास 4 डॉग, वैसे 4 थे पहले कोरोना वाले,
पहले 2 और थे,
वो चले गए, वो कहीं और.
उनको अपना परमानेंट होम मिला.
Talking about traveling and talking about travelers, is there any particular thing you would like to tell about Indian travelers or foreign travelers? Like we should really opt it, because I think, to be honest, like in India, like I've not seen really hardcore travelers. South Indians, yes, few of them, they really go to the next level and they travel and do a lot of things. People from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, crazy people. But I think apparently in North India there are a lot of people who do not have.
Yeah, like we
To
don't want to
travel,
offend anyone. Not everyone's the same, but we have noticed a difference between South Indians and North Indians.
North India.
Like South Indians are really quiet, like not loud per se. And for a hostel, being quiet is a good thing.
Good thing.
Like when you are in a hostel or in a dorm, it's good that you are not making a lot of noise.
Yeah.
North Indians, yeah, they're learning it, like, but it's okay.
one advice you would like to give to all Indian travelers like who travel?
Stay in hospital.
वो तो ठीक है.
Yeah. And like maybe I don't know. Depends on
It's like-
person to person.
नहीं यार, Indian travelers like you should really opt this thing. Like I don't know, maybe coming on time. Indians are never on time. I know myself.
Yeah.
I say 11, I come at 12, 12:30.
Yeah. That is
So
right.
yeah, like anything like that.
There are so many things
Being
which
polite to
Indian
girls, I
travelers
think.
need to learn
Yeah.
to stay in a hostel. अगर हम बाहर किसी और कंट्री में जाके हॉस्टल में रहेंगे तो हमारी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी अगर हम इस तरह से रहेंगे तो.
Yeah, that's true.
फर्स्ट तो हॉस्टल में ये रूल होता है कि होटल की तरह यहाँ रूम में सर्विस नहीं होती है, तो आप
Smoke वगैरह
फ़ोन करके ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते हो. डॉर्मेट्री में स्मोक नहीं कर सकते हो. डॉर्मेट्री में आउटसाइडर्स को नहीं ले जा सकते हो. अगर आप कुछ खाना खाते हो, कुछ ऑर्डर करते हो, तो किचन में जाके अपनी प्लेट खुद धोनी होती है.
हाँ, yeah, of
किचन
course.
आप यूज़ करते हो तो अपना सामान खुद धो के रखना होता है. अगर आप कोई ग्लास भी लेते हो, अगर आप ड्रिंक करना चाहते हो और कुछ ले लेते हो किचन से, तो आपको धो के वापस किसी जगह पे रखना होता है और कहीं पे कचरा नहीं फैलाना होता है.
Yeah. Important rules of staying in every hostel around anywhere,
Anywhere,
right?
in the
Anywhere, like particular rules one should always follow, especially when you're traveling with a lot of people, staying with a lot of people, because you can get
Yes.
uncomfortable.
Be polite, I think. That's also important. If possible,
Be responsible for
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, just act responsibly.
So, talking about traveling and roaming around Pushkar, how peaceful or how joyful do you find Pushkar going around and
As compared to all the other places in Rajasthan, which
Yeah.
have a lot of places, historical places to
Yeah.
see, and so many things to see in other cities, there is not much in Pushkar. Only lake. You get to go to the Sunset Cafe and see the sunset.
yeah.
You roam around the market, which gets complete in like 15 minutes. But still, there is so much peace in the vibe of Pushkar that you really want to come here. Once you come here, then you stay for a month.
Month, yeah. I
don't
was
feel like
supposed to
that.
stay here for like what, 3 days, 4 days? It's been 10 days now.
Yeah.
I have to
And,
cut
yeah,
short
the
down.
sunset is amazing.
Sunset is
Every day.
amazing. Savitri, guys. Savitri temple sunset. If you guys can make it, I didn't make it to the sunrise today.
Yeah, I saw that.
6:30 and I was like, oh, it's
अच्छा
still
हुआ मैंने पहले ही
cold.
मना कर दिया, बेइज्जती करा ली.
बेइज्जती करा ली. But yeah, cannot do anything. But weather is really really good. Lovely weather here. So
और पहाड़ों में केव्स बहुत सारी हैं, तो वो घूमने
yeah.
ट्रैकिंग करने के लिए अच्छा है.
Best food of Pushkar, you would say according to yourself, or sweet, except Malpua. अरे Malpua is
Malpua
not-
तो pizzas are great here.
हाँ.
और फलाफल फेमस है.
Falafel. Yeah. What is your favorite particular food you would recommend people? No, you should go and eat it, or a cafe you really enjoy.
Margarita at
Margarita at Il Fornaio.
Very nice. Very
Really
tasty.
good. And what kind of food do you enjoy?
Italian.
Italian. Nice pizzas.
Very nice pizza. Pizzas are amazing. Margarita especially is amazing there.
Best chai ठेला वाला in Pushkar.
बेस्ट चाय तो वैसे हॉस्टल के बाहर वाली आजकल बहुत अच्छी लग रही है मुझे.
दद्दू बैठते हैं, अन्ना बैठते हैं.
अन्ना वाली नहीं, जस्ट हॉस्टल के बाहर
कुल्हड़
कुल्हड़ चाय.
कुल्हड़
केसर
just
वाली.
बट वो थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव है, तो अगर नॉर्मल चाय पीनी है तो वो अन्ना जो बैठते हैं
Yeah.
उनकी अच्छी है. और जो वरा घाट पे चाय वाला है गोपाल जी,
गोपाल जी.
वहाँ का माहौल ही अलग होता है. एक तरफ मतलब सारे गोरे बैठे हैं, सिर्फ चाय पी रहे हैं और सोच रहे हैं क्या करने आए थे हम. मतलब वहाँ पूरे दिन आपको 20 से 30 गोरे चाय पीते हुए दिख ही जाएंगे. सब बातें कर रहे हैं, बस बातें करते हैं. वो फेमस है इतनी शॉप की पीपल कम टू पुष्कर फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड टू ड्रिंक चाय देयर एंड सिट होल डे.
Varaghat Gopal ji. Guys, note this down. Varaghat Gopal ji. How come I never come?
बिकॉज अभी गोरे नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
तो आपने देखा नहीं होगा.
देखा नहीं होगा यार.
वो मतलब एक चौराहा है, चारों तरफ से लोग आते हुए जाते हुए दिखते हैं. उनको इंडिया की डेली लाइफ दिखती है ना, कि कैसे फ्रूट सेलर आ रहा है, सब्जी वाला जा रहा है, गाय बीच में खड़ी है.
Yeah.
तो उनको ये सब देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो चौराहे पे तो अलग ही नज़ारा है.
And like how yeah, I mean I came Pushkar around like 2 years back when on Holi and all that, and you might have been connected to Pushkar from a long time, right? What is the difference that you see? I mean, like if you're from local, back when we used to come maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
I used to come with my parents,
Uh-huh.
all of us, family. कपड़ा फाड़ होली होती थी. Once my brother got into the crowd and उसके कपड़े फटे हुए, सारा बाहर निकला तो बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं था उसके बॉडी पे. तो ऐसा कपड़ा फाड़ होली होता है, पर अभी बंद कर दिया है. मतलब ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव तरीके से आप नहीं खेल सकते हो.
Yeah.
गर्ल्स के लिए तो वैसे भी वो क्राउड इतना सेफ नहीं होता है, तो वो तो बाहर से ही खेलती हैं. लड़के वगैरह बहुत खेलते हैं. फॉरेनर्स आजकल ज़्यादा आते हैं, बाकी सारे उनको मज़ा आता है होली खेलने में. तो लास्ट 2018 की जो मैंने 19 की जो होली यहाँ पे देखी थी उस पर 5000 इंडियंस थे और 5000 फॉरेनर्स थे और 50,000 इंडियंस थे। और जो अभी हुई थी उसमें कोरोना की वजह से फॉरेनर्स ज़्यादा थे क्योंकि वो तो आ गए, वो ऑलरेडी इंडिया में थे और इंडियंस को डर लग रहा था तो वो नहीं आए। तो इंडियंस की सारी बुकिंग कैंसिल हो गई और फॉरेनर्स सारे आ गए।
This is about last
2020
2020.
हाँ 19 में सब आए थे,
Yeah.
20 में ऐसा सब हो गया। तो सारे गोरे होली खेल रहे थे उस टाइम।
Nice, man. And like, would you say rather Europeans have much more sense in terms of getting along the hostel?
आई थिंक साउथ अमेरिकन आर मोस्ट फ्रेंडली।
South
एक तो पीपल फ्रॉम स्पेन
Yeah.
और साउथ अमेरिकन एंड
I think Europeans, yeah.
यूरोपियंस इन
German people and Spanish people are great. French people are not very good with English, that's why, but they are usually nice. And South Americans also like
What about British? How are they?
देयर आर नॉट मेनी
many, not many.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What about
we only
States?
had like maybe.
रिच टूरिस्ट होते हैं वो जाते हैं उदयपुर, जयपुर, ये
और फैंसी वो लोग हॉस्टल में स्टे नहीं करते।
थोड़े फैंसी ट्रैवलर्स होते हैं।
यूएस के people, यूएस के
US
लोग
के
भी
भी
बहुत
नहीं
कम
आते।
If in India you have to choose a state where you would say यहाँ से क्या travelers आते हैं यार? Which state, a particular state, not a
I think
like
Kerala.
केरला
Kerala.
सबसे अच्छे हैं।
Kerala people, you won it. South Indians, that's great.
Yeah.
Have you been to Kerala?
No,
Any part of South?
no.
You should go
Just-
there. I've been
just
like
Goa.
once or
Goa
twice.
is not really south.
Goa is not really. No, it's south, but it's different state.
Yeah.
But Kerala is like quite long.
Yeah.
I mean, I was there in Alleppey, Varkala, Kochi, Fort Kochi. Beautiful, beautiful. The
Yeah.
only thing is like there is communication barrier.
Uh-huh.
It's just like you said, like French coming here, really
Yeah.
nice people, but then not
Can't-
able to
can't talk,
conversate.
right.
So it's kind of same, but totally really good. You should go.
Yeah.
And if my blog goes famous, Kerala people are going to help them out.
Yeah. Now from the hostel we also have a lot of friends in Kerala
Yeah.
and also in Bangalore and everything. So
Yeah.
I think it will be easier for us now because they all speak good English and we know them, so they'll arrange everything.
Everything.
That's nice. Okay, coming back to your hostel, you also have a cafe.
Yes.
Is there a special name for that cafe?
No.
No.
It's just
Just
hostel.
Hostelavis
Hostel,
in-house
hostel Avis cafe. And what is the best thing that you would say?
बटर पनीर मसाला।
Ah,
For Indian, yes.
Indians.
Indian.
Yeah, no, but I think
For
foreigners
breakfast,
love
butter
butter
paneer.
paneer
Yeah.
masala, right?
Like Indian
Yeah.
cuisine, butter paneer masala
Yeah.
and pancakes is nice.
Pancakes
is nice.
mostly is really good.
Yeah.
She makes really good sandwiches.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
ate
you
those
had.
sandwiches. 5 stars. I ate those sandwiches. Yeah. That's really good. Okay, winding up, like one thing you love the most about Pushkar.
Think nobody judges. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna judge.
I think like if you're a
Yeah,
traveler,
whatever you
whatever
wear.
you do, whatever you wear,
But yeah,
because maybe nobody
Pushkar has
knows
a lot of
you.
Funky style.
Yeah.
If I'm able to, I don't know if I am allowed to record that guy who wears 2 different shoes.
Yeah.
Really, really, really crazy.
And
Except
nobody
Gopal
judges.
ji.
Everyone
Yeah,
is so chill now.
He's
He's at Gopal ji chai wala.
he's at Gopal Ji Chaiwala. Ah, yeah.
That's the place.
That's the place, yeah.
Like if you're a local, people might judge you, but if you're a traveler, nobody will judge
nobody
you because
will.
nobody knows you.
Yeah.
You can
And
wear
they're like,
anything.
okay. Because it's also their like employment and customer is Bhagwan. Do anything.
Nice.
And the market is
last
very
thing
nice.
about your hostel, why would you tell people like?
हमारा backyard.
Yeah.
और हमारे dogs.
और हमारे dogs.
If you have bitches with you, please, you're going to have a child with Google. I'm telling you, she's gonna go
Yes,
flat.
Google is
Google has
eligible
his
Superior,
love. Can you
superior
see?
quality.
Superior quality. And it's like his eyes, man. His eyes are like Google. Can you look there? Boy, come on, yeah. Can you go there? Yeah, yeah. See,
Google आजा.
if you
ये तो रैंप वॉक कर रहा है ऐसा
lamb walk कर रहे हो, वो. And that's Google. And Joyo is right there. Such a fierce one. Oh.
Google.
Google. Yeah.
Google इधर.
उधर.
Google इधर.
And that's Joyo. That's the fierce one. I think he saves a
Very
lot of Like he saves his ass, I think, a lot of times
Yeah.
when we go out. And really good dogs and really pet friendly. If you have your pets, you can
Yeah,
bring
it's
here.
pet friendly.
But it's recommended to ask you guys first, no? Because of the breed. Like if your dog is not aggressive, then only then.
Yeah.
And if you have puppies, they'll love it. Puppy, you name puppy and Butter is here. Butter.
Butter
Oh,
came
God.
back, my god.
And Joyo especially loves Butter. I don't know for what reason.
Yeah.
But he's
Very nice.
he's really protective. Yeah, protective about Joy.
Sweet
He's not
girl.
giving me the ball, and he gave the ball to Butter. He's like, oh. So that's cute, nice family of Hostel Lavi. And thank you so much, guys, for having me here. And I'll try to send as many people as I can. नहीं होता तो I'll come back again. क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
सर बना तो कुछ नहीं रहे,
पागल बना रहे
मशरूम उगा रहे हैं।
मशरूम इन्फेक्टेड है क्या?
अब मेरी तरफ आप धीरे से करो और ना एकदम जूम करना, मैं एक्सप्रेशन दूंगा।
पुष्कर में
मशरूम का फार्म है।
और
रेलवे स्टेशन भी है।
पूछो कहाँ है?
कहाँ है?
कहाँ है?
रेलवे स्टेशन के आगे।
और रेलवे स्टेशन
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज। पुष्कर में रेलवे स्टेशन भी है।